So here we have a 2019 BMW X3. And this one's gonna come in the M40i trim level in that beautiful alpine white. And the interior consists of oyster vernasca leather. The powertrain's a 3-liter, twin-turbo, inline 6-cylinder engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So as we get to this very aggressive front here, we have LED daytime running lights along with LED headlamps and LED fog lights. And they don't flicker, that's just my camera. And down here we have 20-inch aluminum wheels. As you can see, we have the M brake caliper as well as the M in the wheels. So those are gonna be the M Sport brakes. You get passive keyless entry on the front 2 doors. And here are the controls for the power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And the mirrors also have blind spot monitors and also power fold. And there we have a power driver seat with power lumbar support. So let's go ahead and hop in the back seat here. So that's my leg room there. I am 6'3" and I have the seat in front of me adjusted for someone of my size. So I just have a little bit of space back here, but not bad for the segment, especially with this being one of the smaller SUVs that BMW offers. And you still have rear AC vents as well as automatic rear AC controls here. And there's a view of the front from back here. Cup holders there. Let's go ahead and check out the rear cargo space next. Just gotta hop myself up out of here. Ooh, I like that. There's that dual exhaust back there. And I like how it's blacked out. It looks really clean. And there's your rear cargo space, and if you want even more space, all I have to do is hit this back here. And then when it's up far enough, the seats will fold flat. And I like that swift movement from the tailgate. Very clean and crisp, and also pretty quick. But there's your power passenger seat with power lumbar support. And you don't see that often, but I'm glad they have the same functionalities as the driver's seat. Because when I'm driving someone like myself, especially when I'm with my lady, her seat needs to be just as, if not more adjustable than mine. But I do love the body style of this X3. It looks really clean. Let's go ahead and see what's under the hood. Now on this one you have to pop it twice because there's no latch. Then you can just pull up. And there's that 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6. Can't wait to test that out here in a moment. And now top in the driver's seat. So to start out with, really nice heated leather wrap steering wheel here. Nice and thick, I like that. And then on to our radio here. Plenty to choose from. So first let's go to our navigation system. And that's the one that comes with the car. Of course, you can look at your nearby gas stations, all of that. And then we'll go to our media. This here is our wireless Apple CarPlay along with your AM, FM, XM, and then standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. But let's just go ahead and test that sound system really quickly. Where'd it go? Here it is. I like that. Yeah. It's from the heart. So nice and crisp on the front end. One life to live, make my own mistakes. Obstacles I've been through to finish the race. Some hate that I finished, others wish. So really nice and crisp. And then it really does have a surround sound feel to it with all the speakers, so I like that. And there's our backup camera. So here are our vents here, and then we can go ahead and toggle the safety. Either have it all on, all off, or have a setting that you can configure. Let's say you don't like the blind spot monitors or something like that. You can go ahead and click in here, and then you can toggle that, which I think is really neat, especially with your lane departure and your front collision warning. So you can toggle when you want that to go off for you. So really nice. But down here we have dual zone automatic climate controls. Still have a nice little disc player here. And then you have 3-stage heated seats for the front driver and passenger. And then this slides and you can hide away everything in here. So your cup holders and USB chargers. And then for your shifter, hit this button here, push down for drive, press all the way up for reverse, and then you can tap down for neutral, and then you can go over to shift manually. And then you can either toggle there or use your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. And then for your drive modes, you have Eco Pro, so you can toggle how you want the economy to be. You have an individual mode, and then you have a standard mode. And then for comfort, you have that as well. See if I can put it up on the screen here. So there's comfort, there's Eco Pro, and then you can do standard, individual, like I said. And then you have a sport mode, which you can toggle between standard, plus, or then you can configure an individual mode. So I like that. And then you have your parking sensor toggle, as well as your hill descent, which you can toggle on and off. Electronic parking brake, pull up to engage, press down to disengage. Automatic brake hold. And there you have your center console cubby space. And here we have our sunroof. Nice panoramic there. Really good size, and then you can one touch open it. Yeah, that's great there. And here we have our glove compartment, and the owner's manuals are still in here. And here we have our cruise controls. And then over here we have our volume controls. We can toggle through the radio stations between Apple CarPlay, satellite, FM, AM. And then if you have a music collection, you can toggle that as well. And then you have your Bluetooth controls. And then, like I said earlier, the paddle shifters. Windshield wiper controls there. And then I really like this gauge cluster, which all of this is digital here, and then here it's also digital, but There's your push button start. And there's that heads up display. And finally, here's your key fob. But now for the exciting part, it's time to go ahead and take this 2019 X3 M40i out on the road for a quick test drive. So starting off in Eco Pro, the shifts are still lightning fast for being in an economy mode, which I really, really like. But you can definitely tell that the car is more tame than it will be in the comfort and then the sport mode. I'm just gonna test it out here a little bit. Gonna give it a little throttle here out of this corner. So it still has power. It's just kind of hesitant to shift and hesitant to throw you back in the seat, which can be appreciated. That's what this mode is for. But I'm gonna put it into comfort now. And then see how that livens things up. So definitely a huge difference there in terms of throttle response. And really, really nice braking, which is to be expected from the M Sport brakes. And when those turbos kick in, oh, it feels so, so exhilarating. Fantastic. And there's just something about driving BMWs. They really are the ultimate driving machine. Every time I get behind the wheel of one, it doesn't matter what it is, it's just such a treat. And this one has, what's it, 28,000? Yeah, 27,747 miles on it. And it still feels like a brand new car. So now for sport mode. And we're actually just gonna go straight to Sport Plus. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, you even have the backfire and the exhaust on this X3. It's just so fantastic. Oh man, that's awesome. All right, I'm gonna cut that out. We're gonna put it back into comfort. But it just amazes me how great, I mean, it really is great how great the Sport Plus mode is on an X3. And I know no BMW is really anything to sneeze at in terms of performance, but it's crazy you can get this in one of the smallest vehicles that they offer, or smallest SUVs that they offer. And I mean, these twin power 3 liters are just, they're great. I think I've driven one in a 5 Series and a 3 Series, and every single time just blown away, absolutely blown away. Just such great performance. All right, I gotta put it back in the Sport Plus mode. Look at it hug these corners. Oh my gosh. That was so awesome. And you wouldn't think that, well, maybe you would, but I mean, a 2019 with 28,000 miles on it, I feel like this is exactly what would sell me on this car brand new, let alone a used vehicle. I mean, it's just, oh, it drives so great. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2019 BMW X3 M40i.